Got him. And we are out here.
Oh my goodness.
One thing, it is super shallow, like shallow as I've seen it in a while. So we're gonna be putting this boat to the test today for sure. It's gonna be one of those days that if I can get this boat there today, I can get it there any day. We're gonna take it slow, we're gonna take it easy, make sure we don't do anything stupid, catch some fish.
Did I go look on the screen?
All right, you ready to rock and roll? Pretty easy to see the channel. Don't catch a fish on your first cast. Not as much wind as I thought, so very slow drift, but we'll be able to work lures effectively at least, and hopefully find some decent fish. Goal today is catch and keep. We need some fish for the freezer. Maybe we'll cook them in this episode. I don't know. Step one, we just gotta catch them. Got one? Trout? Nice.
Good guy.
Nice. That's a good way to get it kicked off though. Little guy to get it started. Oh, is that a trout or a ladyfish? That's a good trout. That is a nice trout. Oh my God, I almost died.
Look!
What the heck, man? He was just shaking around. He got super, he got a lot of slack from shaking his head so much. That was like a 20-inch trout.
Yeah.
Did this,
Was it even on?
it was on, was it pointed down, or was that when I like, when I ducked, did it like point down?
Gosh darn it.
That was a big trout. There's a good fish. Get that other GoPro out. This GoPro might die. That's a red. Yeah. Yes. My best fish from the boat by far. Let's not pull a core and lose it. That's a keeper, yeah. Ooh. Come on. I'm gonna get him on this side and then boat flip him. He's pretty big, but I think I can boat flip him. Oh, come here, big boy. Heck yes. Woo! That feels good. Been grinding. Had to pull out the popping cork to get it done. I will take that. That's a keeper. Not huge, but not bad. We'll take that all day, every day. I'm gonna get a measurement on him. He looks about 21. $22. Okay, I was 1 inch off. First keeper that we're keeping from the boat. 22 inches, breaking in the new cooler. Ceremonial first fish in the cooler. Oh, that feels good. Grinding this morning. Grinding. Let's keep at it. After that redfish, oh, he's short, 14 and a half. Poor guy. All right, not a bad one. I was changing the battery after I caught that redfish, and Cora caught a 14 and a half inch trout. Go figure. We seem to be on to a little something here. But yeah, tide is super low. Water's a little bit cleaner here. You can actually see the bottom, unlike in some of the other flats we fished earlier this morning where we didn't have as much luck. So you can actually see the potholes here with that slightly cleaner water and slightly shallower than we were fishing this morning. Seem to be concentrating a couple of the fish. See if we can grind out a couple more. Eventually I will get the tie downs for the cooler, but I'm gonna stand up because it is a little bit cleaner. Maybe I can see something. I like the view, that's for sure. I guess I'll throw the spoon and we'll see if they start hitting something, you know what I mean? Now getting down from here might be interesting. A lot of bait here.
Yep.
Oh, what was that? There he is. Yep. Yep. Red. Oh, he threw it. Throw it right there. He's right there still. I had no drag. Dang it! I had no drag and got no hook set on him. Oh, this drag is not set at all. Dang it! I freaking blew it because I didn't have the drag set. That was a keeper red. Oh my god, I'm so mad at myself. So freaking mad at myself. Guys, it has been a grind. Talked to Nino and they caught a few fish, but they were throwing live bait. We had our opportunities, we just blew them. We had a really big tide shift, so maybe that had something to do with it. I don't know, we're still learning this boat thing. It's still fun. I'm getting comfortable, you know, driving it and getting skinny with it. It's gonna take some getting used to. I mean, it just goes to show you, you don't need a boat to catch fish, because we catch more fish on the kayak. But I think as we get more comfortable, you know, out there on the water in this, as we start exploring new areas, I think the success will come. We didn't get skunked, we got something for the dinner table, so there is a positive. And every day on the water is a learning experience, even the grinders.
Oh, it's so hot.
It is miserably hot, like unbelievably hot. I think that's gonna do it. Not the most entertaining video, I will give you that, but we're learning, we're figuring this stuff out. All right, let's go cook up this redfish. When you can't catch fish, you gotta go with a catch and cook, I guess. All right, Cora, give us your final thoughts.
If I'm hooked on a fish, don't come straight towards me, come around me.
Very true, you did almost take my head off.
Wouldn't be the first time.
You've hit me in the eye, you've broken a reel across my head. Well, let's at least go cook up this redfish, and maybe I'll find some like stupid recipe that I can find on the internet and see if it's good or not. Whew, time to cook it up. Cut these guys into good nuggets. Boom, boom, boom. Beer batter, pancake, fried fish. Sounds amazing. Never had it before. Well, I think I've had it, I've just never made it. All I'm doing is replacing water with beer. You know what sounds super good for breakfast tomorrow morning?
Pancakes?
Pancakes.
Or waffles.
Or waffles.
I think we have waffles.
Boom! Ooh. Boom! Ooh. Don't really have anything to stir with, so I'm using a fork.
Use like a whisk.
Do we have a whisk?
We have a whisk.
Alright, give me a whisk. Give me a whisk. Fork's not doing
You've
it.
made eggs before.
This is true. Ho ho ho, now we're talking. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, that should be beautiful. Ooh. It cooks super fast in this thing. Does not take long. That one's done. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh god, it's hot. That looks freaking good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Oh yeah. Come here, sea dog. That is an interesting fried fish flavor.
It's really good
It's
though.
really good. It's like super good. Never had like pancake mix on fried fish. But you get that little bit of like,
Buttermilk.
yeah, buttermilk flavor. One thing is a little soft. Should have added panko. I think that would have made it a little bit crispier, crunchier, and given it a little bit extra something. And now we've added like a pound of mac and cheese because we're 5. Is it good? Is it delicious? You better say it's delicious.
It's already cold.
Oh, I'm not very good at this. Thank you guys for your support. It's been like crazy lately with the amount of support we're getting, especially with the new boat and everything. So thank you guys. Subscribe if you're new around here. Hit the like button. It helps us out a ton. Time to eat. We'll see you on the next one.